So if anyone else has got one of these freezers and the panel's knackered, here's a quick fix to actually get it up and running again. Dead easy. But it eliminates all this lot, so you'll have to add an additional thingy on, thermostat, cut out, whatever, because this will only manually keep the compressor running constantly. So what I've done is found out, cut them two wires, the red and the orange. So we've got red and orange. Make sure it is on that terminal as well, because if not, I don't know what the other ones do. And that, we'll kick that in a sec. I don't know if you can hear that. There's the fan. So that's kicked it in. So I'll disconnect them again. There it is, off again. So that's to do that. The other wires as well, if I can remember rightly, do the diagram here. So there's your white wire, and that 12 volts in. This is basically like your power in, main power in. So if you find the yellow and grey wire, that is yeah, that yellow wire there, which is burnt off or whatever because of the water corrosion. Yellow wire and this grey wire, you'll have direct power. So that is, if you're going to fit a 12 volt thermostat, use the yellow and grey wire for a thermostat. And obviously put a probe into there, and then put that in your normally open connection on your thermostat, set it to the temperature on cooling mode, and then that'll get up and running again dead quick. Obviously that won't have Wi-Fi on it, but you can probably find one 12 volt Wi-Fi on. So I hope that helps someone.